How to trade on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on crypto.com. What you can do is first you'll have to create an account, the crypto.com account, and you want to fund your account. Once you have funded your account, you want to choose your cryptocurrency and you want to choose your strategy and you want to store your cryptocurrency. Now if you want to do it on crypto.com, unfortunately I'm unable to so due to the security issues, but I'll just be guiding you through. First, you can log into your account. You'll be able to make trades on the exchange option there. After that, you want to navigate to the market page on the top left of the navigation bar. Now this is on the browser, remember. So there you want to select the market you want to trade in, navigate to the pair you want to trade in, example for CRO or USDT, and then select trade option and you'll be able to trade in easily. So hope it's clear to you. I'll just say it slower. You want to navigate to the markets page that you'll find at the top left of the navigation bar, and then select the market you want to trade in. After that, you want to navigate to the pair you want to trade in, example that is CRO or USDT, and then select trade option and you'll be able to trade. So this way you can trade on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.